guys, today I'm filming on my mom's phone because it's part 2. And now I'm going to be blow drying my fidgets that I cleaned last video, as you can see, of them. And we're going to be blow drying them. But these are not all of mine. I have more in my room that are clean. These are the only ones that are dirty, so I just cleaned them. There's mochis that fell down. I didn't want to take it off, but now I have to take it off. You see a lot of puppets, spinners, more mochis, more puppets, more puppets, and a lot more stuff in there. But I have a lot more. But now, let's put you guys here. Okay, I'm gonna put on the blow dryer here. No. Will it reach there? No. Wait. Wow. Is there one here? Nope. Okay, relax. I'm doing it. All I have to do now is everything I can do now is get them all out and put them here. And that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Give me good luck. A ton of good luck. Subscribe for good luck. So yeah. Let's start. Get that in. Wait, will this even reach here? Okay, yeah, that will reach here. Whatever reach there has to reach here. Wow! Whatever this you call it, whatever you call it, I don't know what that is, but it's really fun and it illuminates me. I don't know how you say that word also, but it just, your eyes like, yeah, that always happens. The thing that holds the towel like that always falls, and that touched my toe, but didn't fall on my toe, but I will put it there and keep it and not broke it anymore. It always falls, but not that fast. It goes like pop, pop, pop. Anyway, that was weird. Looking for any hearts in my head because yesterday I spent playing football with my friends. Anyway, you will hate this noise. Anyways. That was so hot. This is cool now. You can see the damage, the blow dryer that's in there right there. It made it red. Nice. this one next. Wow, this one is really wet. Okay, that was super wet. Both of the things I had already put there are wet, are still wet, but they won't get off. They're like in the middle of the pops things. So, great. This one doesn't look that wet, so let's start with this. Dryer is moving it. It's like going like that and like that. Like, look. It feels nice. It's like the puppets are like pushing into your skin. That's nice. What was that? What? It's getting smoke. It smells like smoke. I'm not telling my mom. It broke. It broke. It broke. Oh my god, it looks like a balloon, bro. Looks like a balloon. Body out there. So damage. And damage. said not to use it because it's can blow up. The noise it was making, and it was getting a bit of smoke. She threw it away in the garbage. I hope the house doesn't blow up, so I guess I have to wait like 3 days or 1 day or 2 days. Depends to make those dry completely. I only need pretty fidgets dry and sad. It's sad. I wanted to play with my mom today. Fidget playing. Anyway, so my mom came and she was like the beer that she bought, and when she opened it was dripping into a. So yeah, I don't need to give us a lot of details. When she was starting to drink it, here I made her laugh. She's like, and it came everywhere, flying on my shirt. So luckily, I had the same exact shirt. I wore it. It's the same exact shirt. I have 3 same shirts because this is really cute. So my mom told me to put them in this thing, and I put them outside in the balcony because they're a lot small. I guess that's a good idea, honestly. But I think it will take like 2 days, like today and tomorrow the afternoon. They won't even fit here. I don't think all of them will fit here. I mean, they will, but hopefully they will fall in the toilet because that will be emotional. No. Anyway, so I'll keep adding weight and it keeps going down and down, so I don't like that. Those are all the fidgets. Oh my god, my leg is all wet now. Oh my god, my leg is all wet now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to take all of the white stuff, I mean the stuff that's on the floor, because, bro, look at it's so dirty. And this little pea came inside, not pea, it's a pea popper. Yeah, it seems to be it. Came inside my, what do you call it? Crocs, yeah, Crocs. Now my leg is full of water. Ew. Oh, there's a mochi on the floor. Oh my god, there's one of my favorite mochis on the floor. Okay? These are all of my fidgets. No, I'm joking. Oh, God, I'm not joking. Okay, and this is all my fidgets. I'm joking, you guys. Now I'm actually joking. I have a pocket which I don't want to take. I'm gonna go put this outside in the balcony. Hopefully I don't drop the time. Sorry about that. See that? Anyway, so we take these out to the balcony. Luckily the balcony is already open. Pretty much enough space. Okay, where's the sunny part? There's always like a sunny part here. So I'm gonna put it here. Now there's no sun. The sun is in the other side of the city. As you can see, here's always like sun, but there's the most, but sometimes there's the most. So I don't know which one to pick. I put it there, so no one like flips over. Okay, I'm gonna go put the bag with the rest of the fidgets that I don't want to clean in my room, and go watch the basketball match because we have a finale basketball match now. Hey, love y'all. Subscribe and like so I can get a new fan. Bye.